Hey guys, and welcome to this BIAB or Builder in a Bottle nail tutorial, and I'm going to show you how I got this set right here. Perfect for this time of year. The chocolate brown is very on trend right now, so I'm just going to go in and show you how I did the BIAB part first. All of my other nails are done except for my index, so I'm just going to go in with the Glitter Bells base coat. And this nail is fully prepped already. I've removed the bulk from my previous set, and I've also prepped the natural nail. So I'm just going to go in with a layer of the base coat all over the surface of the nail, including the regrowth, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. I'm making sure I scrub this into the nail as well, nice and firmly with a nice firm hand, and then I'm going to grab my builder in a bottle. So this is Dolly from the Glitter Bells, and first of all I'm going to go in with a slip layer. So a slip layer is a nice thin layer all over the nail, and then you do not cure this layer. So this is me just going in with my slip layer here. I'm making sure that I've covered the whole lot of the nail. This is in real time, I haven't sped this up at all. And once I have the slip layer done, you don't cure this at all, you just leave it, and then you go in with a bigger bead. So this is the bigger bead here, and I'm getting as close to the cuticle as I can, and then I'm just going to drag it down the nail from side to side. Don't lose contact with your brush and the gel, and just kind of gently guide it down the nail from side to side like this. This bead here that I used wasn't a very large bead because these nails aren't that grown out, so I didn't need too much product or else the nails would be really bulky. And then I'm going to go in with my liner brush. So this is my best friend when it comes to doing any type of gel application. This is going to help me to drag the product close enough to the cuticles and the sidewalls, but not allowing it to overflow into the cuticles or the sidewalls. So I always use this for this part, and I'm just kind of manipulating the gel where I want it to go. And I'll be back in a couple of seconds for the next part of the design. So now I'm going in with Madame Glam's Divine Glam, and this is the fabulous chocolate brown from their new House of Giving collection, the November 2023 collection, which is absolutely stunning. The colours are so beautiful in that collection. This is the brown, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Even painting it on is just so satisfying. It goes on so nicely. So I'm going to go in with 2 coats of this, and I'm going to pop the full colour nails on my middle and my ring finger, and then also on my thumb. So I'm just going to go in and do these nails first and do 2 coats of each, and then I will be back to you with the French tip and the bling placement. So going in with my detailer brush again, I'm just getting the polish as close to the cuticle and sidewalls as I can. And of course I went a little bit too close, so I'll just left that mistake in there just to show you how I clean it up. So I use these those eyelash applicator swabs. They're very small and tidy to do cleanup work, just dipped in a little bit of acetone, and they take away any mistake that you might make. Obviously before you cure it in the lamp, if you cure it in the lamp, it's not going to take it away with acetone, it's just going to be cured into place. But yeah, so that's what I do for cleanup work. That's what I use, and I swear by them. You can get them on Amazon, Shein, AliExpress, anywhere like that. And then I'm going to go in with my French tip. So this is just 1 coat of that Divine Glam colour. It just needed 1 coat and it went on perfectly. So I'm just kind of painting out my French on the index and on the pinky. And I'm going to leave a discount code for Madame Glam for 35% off. I'll leave the code on screen, but I'll also leave a link in the description, because the link will bring you directly to their website, and the code will be built in when you click the pay as you go option on the Madame Glam website. So I'll just leave that link in the description below, and I'll be back to you in a second for the bling placement. Now going in with some bling. These are champagne gold rhinestones and they're glass rhinestones, so they have that lovely shiny finish. And then I'm going to use my McCart rhinestone glue and apply it to the top of my cuticle area. The sizes of the rhinestones I used in this set were SS9, SS10 and SS12, and I'm just using my little crystal picker upper to apply them on. So I'm going to go with the biggest stone in the middle and then second biggest, and then the smallest are at the edges. And yeah, I thought these stones added a really glamorous little dimension to these nails and just kind of bling them up a little bit. I was going to go in with flowers and stuff on the other block nails, but I decided when I had these stones on that I think these were enough. So let me know down below if you think that these were enough, or should I have gone ahead and added the flowers and stuff. I'm not too sure, but I think these were enough just like this. I really like how they came out. The champagne gold looks so good against this brown, I think. So the last part of the manicure is going in with the top coat. Of course, this is the best part. It brings everything together. So just a nice even layer of top coat on every single nail. And I'm going to push the top coat up beside the rhinestones on the rhinestone nails. So I'm not going to cover the rhinestones with the top coat, but just gently push up against it with your brush, and it'll just give the rhinestones another little helping hand in for them to last as long as possible. And this Madame Glam top coat is 30-second cure in an LED light, but I always just cure for double the amount at the end. So I gave this a 60-second cure just to seal everything in at the end. And this is how they look in natural sunlight. I'm so happy with them. Please comment down below if you like them and subscribe if you made it this far, and I'll see you in the next one.